So the last question in the 2013 Revised Higher Physics paper in the multiple choice section is question 20. It says, a crystal of silicon is doped with arsenic. This means that a small number of the silicon atoms are replaced with the arsenic atoms. The effect of the doping on the crystal is to one of the options are given. So effectively we need to answer the question, what does doping really do when we are trying to change the properties of silicon semiconductor. So doping, adding arsenic or any other impurity to silicon adds extra charge carriers, and those extra charge carriers can either be electrons or holes. And in either case, the electrons or the holes add conductivity to the original silicon. You see the silicon itself, all of its electrons are bound to its neighboring atoms. If you dope silicon with arsenic, what you're doing is you're adding extra charge carriers to the overall structure. And if there are extra charge carriers, regardless of whether they're electrons or holes, that allows increased conductivity to occur in the crystal. And so what it will do is it will increase the conductivity of the material. Another way of saying that is it decreases its resistance. And so the obvious answer there is D. But statement E potentially might be correct. It says to allow it to conduct in one direction only. That's not the same as increases its conductivity. So we're not going to use E as the correct answer. So it's definitely D in this case.